tool right here is a must-get tool for every auto shop. In this video, I'm going to talk about how impact wrenches makes work very easy, fast and efficient in auto repair shops. If you are not using this tool as a mechanic or auto technician, this tool or that tool, close your shop. Stop being a mechanic, because without this tool, man, you are losing out big time. Impact wrenches play a very vital role in every auto shop. I mean, when it comes to loosening lugs, nuts and bolts, or tightening and fastening them, it is the table charger of every shop. Few tools can rival with impact wrenches when it comes to getting the job done fast and efficiently. They help in performing several range of tasks in every auto shop, from removing car tires, dismantling engine components, working on suspension systems, and several others. Impact wrenches are the game changer of getting the job done fast and efficient. Every mechanic and auto technician need to have this impact wrench. There are several reasons why, as a mechanic or auto technician, you need to have this awesome tool called impact wrench. The last reason is my favorite. Let me quickly go through some of the types of impact wrenches. This very one is pneumatic impact wrench and is powered by air. So pneumatic impact wrenches uses air to operate. There is also cordless impact wrench. Cordless impact wrench uses battery that are charged and inserted for power supply. Cordless impact wrench are very portable and convenient for mobile work, so you can move around with them and perform different tasks. The third type of impact wrench is called electric impact wrench. The fourth type is hydraulic powered impact wrenches, mostly used in industrial and heavy duty equipment repairs. They are powered by hydraulic systems. The most common impact wrenches are pneumatic impact wrenches, mostly used in mechanic shops and tire service shops. Cordless impact wrenches are also very common and widely used. These days you find them in almost every mechanic shop, and that is because of how useful and efficient they are. And now let's dive into the reasons why every auto shop or mechanic must have an impact wrench, maximizing time efficiency. They reduce the time needed to perform tasks such as removing tires, dismantling engine components, and working on suspension systems. And that helps you to increase the overall shop efficiency or your repairs efficiency. The second reason is power capability. Impact wrenches, they deliver high power output, thus making it very easy for loosening stubborn nuts and also rusted bolts. If it will take you 1 minute to loose your bolt and nut with an impact wrench, you can do that in 15 to 20 seconds. The third reason why you need and must have an impact wrench is versatility. Impact wrenches comes in different sizes and different configurations. This particular one is a pneumatic half-inch impact wrench, but there are other sizes such as quarter-inch, half-inch, 1 inch, and others, making them very convenient for working on spaces or angles that would have been very difficult to loose or tightening bolts and nuts. If you want modern equipment, tools and machines for your auto shop, my team in China and myself helps you ship the equipment directly from China to your nearest port or city. Last but not the least, reduce physical strain. Using impact wrench reduces the physical strain on mechanics as compared to manual wrenches and ratchets. And there is no doubt why mechanics feel very comfortable to work with impact wrenches. With an impact wrench, you do not need to overuse your energy to loose or tightening bolts and nuts. And this is why this very reason is my favorite. A lot of mechanics complain of waist pains and general body pain. Even after retirement, they still have this health issue. And this is because using manual wrenches too much to loose and tightening bolts and nuts causes stress for your body. If you are doing everything manually, by the end of the day, you feel very weak. If you continue to overuse your manpower or your own energy, you're going to have health implications. And that's why having an impact wrench is one critical tool you cannot do without as a mechanic. This tool right here, this tool will save you a lot of energy. If you want to get a lot of praises for delivering work faster, this tool is something you don't want to play with. This tool right here is a must-get tool for every auto shop. If you are a mechanic and you use impact wrenches, comment below the type you use and why you also think every mechanic or every auto technician must have an impact wrench. These are my reasons, and I do believe you also bear with me. Every auto mechanic must have this tool. Yeah, this tool. An impact wrench. This channel is dedicated to all auto enthusiasts, mechanics, engineers, and the general public. So please do subscribe. So if you're a mechanic or an engineer and you want me to interview you, WhatsApp me for the interview. I'll be happy to interview you anywhere you are around the world, and then share your story on my channel for the world to hear about you. This is Autocare 360.